and then a solvent such as acetone, which is miscible water. First thing we're going to want to do after the reaction is completed and cooled to room temperature is roto-evap all of the water-miscible solvent from this reaction mixture. So in the future, when we do liquid-liquid extractions that contain water, we don't have any mixing of this water-miscible organic solvent with water, thus destroying what we would want to have as a biphasic organic and water two-phase separation in the liquid-liquid extraction separatory funnel. So what we'll do is use a hot water bath and put the flask under a reduced pressure, and while stirring or rotating, all of this acetone will be removed from the flask, thus leaving us with a solid sludge or slurry. It could be an oil, but the important part is that all the acetone is removed.